The Omnitracs electronic logging platform simplifies hours of service logging compliance mandated by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA. The use of electronic logging systems is designed to improve road safety and prevent driver fatigue. The Hours of Service home screen is divided into 7 tabs. To access the different areas of the electronic logging device, tap on the tab that you wish to view. The Status tab is a snapshot of your hours of service for the day. The Status tab shows your current duty status, when you started the current duty status, the current time, the length of time you have been in the status, and any exception rules that are being used. The Status tab shows when your last 34-hour reset was completed, as well as the hours gained back at midnight tonight, the hours you will gain at midnight tomorrow night, and the number of miles you have driven today. To change your duty status, select the Change button on this page. To change tabs, tap on the desired tab. The Summary tab shows the remaining time on each of the 4 duty status clocks based on your reported hours. The Graph tab displays the log as a graph. Tap a bar on the graph to display that segment's details above the graph. With a bar selected, the Remarks button may be active if there is a remark associated with the log. The Info button shows your carrier information. Tap Previous and Next to select different duty status segments for the day. To change the date of the graph, use the back and forward arrows to navigate to the date you want to view. The Day Log tab displays the log in tabular form. ERODS is the electronic record of duty status. This is where you can request an email or fax be sent to a safety official if they want to review your hours of service. If the safety official does not need a copy of your log, emailed or faxed, but wants to review your hours of service on your screen, you would select the Inspector button. They can scroll through the inspector screen to see information about your logs and vehicle. The Header button displays information specifically about the driver and data diagnostic settings for the vehicle. The 8 Days tab, also referred to as the Duty Cycle tab, displays the current 8-day duty cycle. Each day shows the miles driven and the hours and minutes spent driving. It also shows the hours and minutes spent on duty. To email or fax a copy of your logs, select the Fax/Email button. Certifying a log is the same as signing it and confirming that the log is true and correct. You are required to certify your logs every 24-hour period. Review each day and tap the Agree button to certify your log. A green checkmark will appear next to a certified duty status. The Load tab is used to associate your log records with the load upon which you are dispatched and is required by law to be included with each dispatch. To enter load information, tap on the New Load button. When prompted, enter the load information. You will enter the load ID, which is the dispatch or order number. You will also enter the date you pick up the load and the date you deliver or drop the load. The bill of lading number is required, as well as a trailer number. To edit load information, tap on the Edit button to make your corrections. To see your load history, tap on the History button, and you will see a list of dispatch and trailer numbers listed beside the date that you completed them. For additional information or help with a specific topic using the Hours of Service system, please contact the Driver Development Department or Safety